Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are someone who is looking for grain-free and gluten-free options, then I want to show you this pizza crust mix. This is from Chebe, and this is a really nice mix because it's super easy to make and it's very delicious. So this makes a pizza crust, and it's really simple to do. All you need to do is add some cheese, which is actually optional, but I definitely recommend it because the cheese makes it taste absolutely amazing. You can't go wrong with cheese. But if you can't tolerate dairy, you can always leave it out. And then you add some liquid, some eggs or egg substitute, and some oil, and then you're able to prepare a pizza crust. So it's very simple to do and it tastes amazing. So it can be really hard to find a nice tasting crust if you are trying to eat gluten or grain free. So this is such an awesome option because it tastes good and it's easy to make. So if you're looking for a pizza crust mix that will fit that bill and also will fit a lot of different dietary restrictions, then I would definitely recommend this one. And that's my point of view.